Hi, let me take you through Covo Commercial November to December progress. For the external works, we've done construction of the ramps, the steps, and the walkway. We've also done excavation works for the sewer line. We've done excavation works for the Odaya Road and Gitanga Road. Now we are doing leveling, and also curb road paving is ongoing. For the curtain walling, the aluminium curtain walling is complete, both on Gitanga and Odaya Road. The glass installation is also complete. For the ground floor shops, we've done the framing, it's around 30% complete. For the internal, we've done the plaster works for both first and second floor. The walling works have completed for both the 3 floors. For the 3rd floor, we've done preparation for waterproofing. It's currently ongoing. For the basements, we've done the waterproofing is complete for basement 1 and basement 2. Also on Gitanga Road, we've done the steps with removal of the trees. We transferred them. And yeah, right now we're doing leveling and then compaction of the ground, so that we're ready to receive the curb road.